Welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is perfect for educators, business professionals, trainers, and anyone who needs to create pre-recorded presentations. Whether you're creating training materials, online course content, sales pitches, or webinar recordings, this method gives you complete control over your presentation quality. The combination of Canva's stunning design capabilities and Zoom's reliable recording features creates a professional result that you can use again and again. Let's dive in. First, get your Canva presentation ready and click Present. This opens your slides in a clean view, perfect for focusing on your content. Before you start presenting, make sure all your slides are finalized and error-free. Check for typos, ensure all images are high quality, and verify that any animations or transitions work smoothly. The Present button is located in the top right corner of your Canva editor. When you click it, Canva removes all the editing tools and gives you a clean, distraction-free view of your slides, exactly what your audience will see. This is also a great time to do a quick run-through to practice your timing and talking points. Next, switch to Presenter View. Here, you can see speaker notes, a timer, and upcoming slides, helping you stay organized and confident while presenting. Once ready, hit Present again to go full screen. Presenter View is an absolute lifesaver, especially for longer presentations. Your speaker notes appear right on your screen where only you can see them, acting like a teleprompter to keep you on track. The timer helps you pace yourself so you don't rush or run over time. Being able to see the upcoming slide is incredibly helpful because you can create smooth transitions in your narration, like as we'll see in the next slide, or moving on to our next topic. This professional touch makes your presentation flow much more naturally. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this view before recording. Now open Zoom and choose Share Screen. You can either share your entire screen or just the Canva window for a distraction-free experience. Here's a pro tip. Sharing just the Canva window instead of your entire screen is usually the better choice. This way, if you receive notifications, open other applications, or if your desktop background is messy, none of that will appear in your recording. To share just the Canva window, click Share Screen in Zoom, then select the specific browser window or tab where Canva is open. You can also optimize your screen share for video clips if your presentation includes animations. Don't forget to check the Share Computer Sound option if your presentation includes audio elements. Make sure your microphone and webcam are working properly. When everything is set, hit Zoom's Record button. Audio quality can make or break your presentation, so this step is crucial. Before recording, do a quick test by recording a few seconds and playing it back. Make sure you're in a quiet environment with minimal background noise. If possible, use a dedicated microphone rather than your computer's built-in mic for clearer audio. Position yourself at a comfortable distance from the microphone, not too close to avoid popping sounds, but close enough for clear audio. If you're including your webcam, ensure you have good lighting facing you, not behind you, and that your camera is at eye level. In Zoom, you can record locally to your computer or to the cloud if you have a paid Zoom account. Speak naturally, engage your audience, and let your slides shine. When you're done, stop the recording and save it in an accessible location. When recording, imagine you're talking to a real person rather than reading from a script. Use a conversational tone. Vary your pace and intonation, and don't be afraid to show enthusiasm about your topic. If you make a small mistake, just pause briefly and continue. You can edit it out later if you like it with your topic. However, if you make a major error, you can always stop the recording and start fresh. Engage your imaginary audience by asking rhetorical questions, using relatable examples, and maintaining energy throughout. When you finish, click Stop Recording in Zoom. The file will automatically process and save to your designated folder, typically in your Documents folder under Zoom Recordings. Now your Canva presentation is ready to share with colleagues, students, or your audience anytime. Once your recording is processed, you'll have an MP4 video file that's ready to share. You can upload it to YouTube, Vimeo, your learning management system, Google Drive, Dropbox, or email it directly to recipients. The beauty of having a recorded presentation is that people can watch it on their own time, pause and rewind as needed, and you don't have to present the same content multiple times. This is especially valuable for training materials that new team members can access during onboarding, or for course content that students can review before exams. With this simple process, you can combine Canva's design power with Zoom's recording capabilities to create professional, high-quality presentations. Happy presenting! This workflow is incredibly versatile and can be adapted for so many purposes. You can create product demos, tutorial videos, conference presentations, pitch decks, educational lectures, and so much more. Many successful content creators and educators use this exact method to produce high-quality video content efficiently. If you want to take it further, you can edit your Zoom recording using video editing software to add intro and outro slides, background music, or cut out any mistakes. If you found this tutorial valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more productivity tips and Canva tutorials. Comment below and let me know what type of presentations you're creating. I'd love to hear how you're using this technique. Also, check out my other videos on creating engaging Canva presentations and advanced Zoom features. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see the amazing presentations you create. Happy recording!